Google Analytics 4 has finally launched for Shopify. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Google Analytics 4 and a couple of quick wins you can do on a setup in Google Analytics 4 in order to get the most clarity and granularity in your data that you will ever have to date by using this tool. So let's dive in and I'll show you how to do it real quick. Okay, so we're gonna create a new Google Analytics 4 account for a client we're just developing. So you can name this whatever you want. In this case, I'm not linking it to my organization. There's a couple of tidbits of information here. Want to make sure you go ahead and do that. And now you want to name your property. So in this case, I'm going to do the website and I'll leave the time zone for now. Then you want to show advanced. And this is no longer valid. They're going to be removing this. Go ahead and hit next. And then you want to select which one of these makes the most sense for your business. In this case, it's going to be pretty broad in the shopping, I think. And it's going to be for a small business. You want to make sure you want to analyze my online sales, increase my conversions, optimize my advertising costs since that's a consideration, and then also measure lead generation and things like that. And you want to go ahead and create, accept. Now you're going to want to set up your data streams. You can think of a data stream as your shopping channel. So you have your Google shopping channel, you have your Facebook shopping channel integrated into Shopify. And in this sense, you're trying to measure those channels like your website, an app, a plugin. But this is going to be pretty straightforward. We're going to go ahead and do this. And name your website for consistency. One of the things I would recommend is going in there and adjusting your stream by labeling with the keyword. So this would be your stream name. So when you're looking at it from a 10,000 foot view, it should be okay. There are some of these enhanced measurements that are automatically going to be done. For now, you can leave this on. In most situations, we're going to turn it off because we need to measure something specifically and it doesn't match the automatic criteria. So go ahead and create the stream and voila, you have your tag that's going to pop up here. And this is the tag that we're going to have to copy over into Shopify. And I'll show you that now. In this situation, I want to make sure I set up the Google channel. So you can connect your channel here. And I'm going to go ahead and click Get Started for Google Analytics 4. And I'm just going to find my account. And voila, you've successfully installed Google Analytics 4. Make sure you take advantage of the other features in here. Now I'm going to show you how to properly set up your Google Analytics 4 and take advantage of these low-hanging fruits. All right, now we're just going to look at some property settings configuration. So from your admin account at the property level, this is what's tracking on a particular website or app. You want to go into your property settings. This is where you can adjust your industry, time, and currencies and make sure you take note and optimize it to your business and situation. Now we're going to do data setting configuration. You're going to go ahead from admin property data settings, click over to data collections. Go ahead and get started. Follow all of these prompts and make sure you activate all of these advanced features. And next we're going to click through so you can see a little bit more about the presence of Google and what it's going to achieve. And go ahead, your user data collection acknowledgement, and you should be all set there. Swipe over to data retention and you can see that the event data retention is for about 2 months. We can extend that window all the way out to 14 months. And this is where you can decide if you want to reset user data on new activity or if you want to retain it and keep new users. So this is going to be a question for your marketing manager. Go ahead and save. Now we're going to talk about configuring referral exclusions. You want to go to your admin property, and inside of your data streams, you can click and open your data stream. So here's our website data stream. It's inactive right now because I don't have it installed on my website. Go ahead and scroll down to your Google tag, configure tag settings. And it's going to load up here, and you want to click show all. And this is really where the guts of your analytics are going to work. So then you can look at list unwanted referrals. And I can go in here and I can either include referrals that match any of the following conditions, or I can do custom regex. In this particular situation, we can talk about your primary domain. We can talk about cross-domain, your checkout domain. So you want to exclude Shopify. This list is going to be custom to your technology, so you have to pay close attention. But a common one would be checkout.shopify or pay.shopify or Google Pay, Stripe, Klarna, and the shop.app, for example. So those are a couple of filters that you need to add those conditions. You're going to go ahead and fill that out and hit save when you define those conditions and import them in. And that's how you can manage your referral exclusions inside of Google Analytics for Shopify. A look-back window is a conversion can happen days or weeks after a person interacts with your ad. The look-back window determines how far back in time a touchpoint is eligible for attribution credit. For example, a 30-day look-back window will result in January 30th conversions being attributed only to touchpoints occurring within the last 30 days of January. So you can adjust this window. However, we want to make sure we have as wide of a net in order to qualify traffic faster and see how we can retain them longer. Session timeout and timers for engaged sessions. This is an important thing to note because Google Analytics 3 had bumpers around timeouts and things like that, which you could manipulate, but most users are using a lot of the defaults here. The reason this is important is we want to clarify what disqualifies traffic so we can have a leaner lens into the users that are doing the actions which we want to achieve in a sale or a conversion. So you're going to go to your admin, and again, your data streams is going to be your hub, and you can go into configure tag settings, show all, and you can see the just session timeout. And you want to look at this and understand these are the defaults, but think about it like this. Add a few hours, 1, 2, 3, as the session is adjusted for a timeout, and add an adjusted timer for an engaged session from 10 to 30 seconds so we can determine what happens after they visit and not award more traffic that's bouncing and leaving, which can disrupt the weighted averages and calculated metrics, because ultimately that's what we're doing behind the scenes when using Google Analytics. We're trying to leverage the power of math and insights. Go ahead and click save, and you're all set there. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more Shopify videos, and check out our Shopify marketing section on our channel page. If you have a specific question to your analytics, drop a comment here below and I'll try to help you as best as I can. Thanks for watching. If you're still unsure about your digital marketing question, be sure to request a free marketing audit from Zima Media, where one of our marketing consultants will create a personalized video response and address every single one of the smart marketing opportunities to grow your business.